Have you ever wondered what it's like to attend a Hollywood movie premiere alongside renowned actor Matt Damon and his charming family? Let me paint you a picture. Last Wednesday in New York City, Matt Damon walked the red carpet with his wife, Luciana, and their 4 daughters. The couple, married since 2005, share 3 children: Isabella, Gia, 14, and Stella. Luciana also has a daughter, Alexia, 25, who Matt lovingly regards as his stepdaughter. Luciana, dressed impeccably for the occasion, I wore a tailored suit jacket, paired with trousers, completing a look with a crisp white t-shirt and sleek white sneakers. Luciana looked radiant, in a simple yet sophisticated white dress. Our eldest daughter, Alexia, along with Isabella, chose elegant black attire, while Gia stunned in a vibrant red velvet dress. Youngest sister Stella opted for a stylish green dress. When asked by Entertainment Tonight about having his daughters join him at premieres, Damon shared, "It happens fast but slowly, if that makes any sense, and it's just really beautiful." At the event, the spotlight shone on Damon's new film, The Instigators, featuring his longtime friend, Casey Affleck. As co-writer and co-star, Affleck portrays a criminal evidence that had done to be a serious confusion became measure of the run after a failed heist. And interestingly enough, behind the scenes, Luciana plays a crucial role as a producer. Though initially hesitant to claim credit for her contributions, the team insisted, ultimately convincing her to accept the accolades. Her dedication to the craft remained steadfast over the years. She spent countless hours analyzing scripts and providing valuable input throughout the creative process. Throughout his successful acting career, spanning hits like Good Will Hunting, Parenthood, and beyond, Damon acknowledges his wife's unwavering support. When faced with personal challenges or setbacks during productions, Luciana offers guidance, helping him navigate life's highs and lows. With that said, thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for future stories. Oh, and remember, much like raising a family, gardening requires patience too. Just ask the cacti. They can wait centuries for water. After